Hello dear students, today we will discuss the important topic infertility. Infertility means the particular person or the particular couples which have not tendency to reproduce the babies. They are known as infertile. Reasons are disease, some drugs or genetical disorders. These are the reasons which leads the infertility. Now this infertility problem is cured by arts. Arts means assisted reproductive technology. There are the four major parts which are related to the arts. They are known as test tube baby, GIFT, AI or ICSI. GIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. AI means artificial insemination or ICSI means intracellular or intracellular sperm injection. Now first of all we will discuss the test tube baby. The doctor Petrucci in 1959 introduced us a embryo which was survived only for 29 days. Dr. Petrucci first of all introduced us a embryo which was developed outside the body, and only 29 days the particular embryo survived. After that expired. But the first test tube baby which convert into the new baby or the new fetus or the developed mature human, this test tube baby first of all introduced by Dr. Steptoe and Dr. R. Edward. The test tube baby's name was Louis Joy Brown in 1978. But in India, first test tube baby's name was Kanupriya Agarwal and introduced by Dr. Subhas Mukherjee. Now the major step which play a very important role in to make the test tube babies are, first of all we will take egg from the female and this egg is fertilized artificially. Indirectly we can say that in vitro. In vitro means outside the body. Whenever the egg fertilized, the zygote divide, and zygote divide into, after the dividation of the zygote it insert into the mother's uterus. Whenever it insert into the mother's uterus with the help of a process which is known as ZIFT. ZIFT means zygote intrafallopian transfer. Basically, whenever zygote divide and convert into the A cell stage, then we transfer this zygote into the fallopian tube of the particular female. If the zygote is converted into more than 8 cell stage or convert into the 32 cell stage or the blastula condition, then we will introduce or we will transfer this particular zygote into the uterus of the particular female, and this condition is known as IUT, intrauterine transfer. Here transfer takes place in fallopian tube, here transfer takes place in uterus. This is known as IUT. Another important term which is related to it, it is known as ZIFT. ZIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. Basically this term is used for the female. Clear? In this process egg is transferred into the fallopian tube. Why? Because many types of problems arise in the females. For example, they are not able to reproduce the ovum, and if the ovum is not collected by the fimbriae, if the fimbriae have not tendency to collect the ovum from the ovary, then further isthmus ampulla junctions fertilization process can't be takes place. So these all type, and most important thing, many females which produce sperm antibodies, and sperm antibodies play a very important role or play a very harmful for the survival of the sperm, because sperm antibodies kill the all types of sperms. So if the particular female have got these types of sperm antibodies, then there are the null void chances of the survival of the sperm into the female reproductive tract. So to reduce these all types of problems and to sort out these types of problems, ZIFT play a very important role. ZIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. Now second is known as artificial insemination. Artificial insemination is basically, it is related to the particular female males. It is a type of disease which is known as oligospermia. Oligospermia means if the particular male have no tendency to discharge the maximum amount of the sperm into the female reproductive tract, or if the particular male's sperm count is very very low, then we can say that the particular male is suffering from the oligospermia. And to cure these types of problems, we collect the sperm of the particular male and now transfer artificially into the female reproductive tract. This is known as artificial insemination. Next one is known as ICSI. ICSI means intracellular sperm injection. In this process, we will directly insert the sperm into the ovum. यानी कि ओवम में जो स्पर्म होता है उसको इंजेक्शंस के थ्रू इंटर करा दिया जाता है, एंड फर्दर इट कन्वर्ट इनटू द zygote. So these are the types which play a very important role to cure the infertility with the help of ARTS. ARTS means assisted reproductive technology. These all things are important.